Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. The non-business energy property credit is equal to the sum of 10% of the amount paid or incurred for qualified energy efficiency improvements installed during 2011 and any residential energy property costs paid or incurred after 2012. The lifetime limit for this credit for all years after 2005 is $500, of which only $200 can be used for windows, $50 for an advanced main air circulating system, $150 for any qualified natural gas, propane, or oil furnace, and $300 for any item of energy efficiency building property. In order to qualify for this credit, the improvements must be new, can be expected to remain in use for at least 5 years, and meet certain requirements for energy efficiency. This includes any insulation or material that is designed to reduce heat loss or gain in a home, exterior windows and doors, and any metal or asphalt roof that has appropriate pigmented coatings or cooling granules designed to reduce heat gain in a home. Residential energy property is any of the following: certain electric heat pump water heaters, electric heat pumps, central air conditioners, natural gas, propane, or oil water heaters, and stoves that use biomass fuel. Certain advanced main air circulating fans used in natural gas, propane, or oil furnaces, and qualified natural gas, propane, or oil furnaces, and qualified natural gas, propane, or oil hot water boilers. This credit has been extended through 2012. Let's look at a review question. In order for Sarah to take the non-business energy property credit, what is the maximum amount that she can spend on windows? A, $500, B, $400, C, $300, or D, $200? The correct answer is D, $200. The lifetime limit for this credit for windows is $200. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.